Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mariam and my topic of presentation are measures of central tendency. Measures of central tendency provide a convenient way of describing a set of scores with a single member that describe the performance of the group. It is also defined as a single value that is used to describe the center of data. There are three commonly used measures of central tendency: mean, median and mode. Mean is used to measure the center of data. It is also called as arithmetic average. Computation of a sample mean. X bar is equal to summation x divided by n. X bar is equal to summation x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 so on to xn divided by xn. Computation of the mean for ungrouped data. X bar is equal to summation x divided by n. X bar is equal to summation fx divided by n. Mean for group data. Group data are the data or score that are range in frequency distribution. The only one formula in solving the mean for group data is called as midpoint method. The formula is x bar is equal to summation fxm divided by n, where x bar is equal to mean value, xm is the midpoint of each class or category, f is the frequency in each class or category, xm is the midpoint. Summation fxm is equal to summation of product of fxm. Steps in solving mean for group data. Find the midpoint of class mark, which is also known as xm, of each class or category using the formula xm is equal to ll plus lu divided by 2. Multiply the frequency and corresponding class mark. Find the sum of result in step 2. Solve the mean using the formula x bar is equal to summation fxm divided by n. Median. Median is what decides the score in the distribution into two equal parts. 50% lies below the median value and 50% lies above the median value. It is also known as the median score or the 50th percentile. Median for ungrouped data. Arrange the scores from lowest to highest or highest to lowest. Determine the middlemost score in distribution if it is an odd number, and get the average of two middlemost scores if n is an even number. For example, find the median score of 8 students in class 8. X score is equal to 13, 19, 17, 16, 15, 10 and 5, 2. X is equal to 16 plus 15 divided by 2. अब हमारे पास वैल्यू आ गई है मीडियन की, जो है 15.5. नाउ मीडियन ऑफ ग्रुप डाटा. द फॉर्मूला फॉर मीडियन ऑफ ग्रुप डाटा इज़ मीडियन वैल्यू इज़ इक्वल टू एल प्लस एन ओवर 2 माइनस सी एफ बी डिवाइडेड बाई एफ एम ब्रैकेट क्लोज एक्स डब्ल्यू, where L is equal to lower class boundary of group containing the median, N is equal to total number of data, CFB is equal to cumulative frequency of groups before the median group, FM is equal to frequency of median group, and W is equal to group width. Next topic is mode. The mode of the model score is a score or the scores that occur most in the distribution. It is classified as unimodal, bimodal, trimodal and multimodal. Unimodal is a distribution of scores that consist of only one mode. Bimodal is a distribution of scores that consist of two modes. Trimodal is a distribution of scores that consist of three modes. Or multimodal is a distribution of scores that consist of more than two modes. Mode for group data. In solving the mode value in group data, we use the following formula. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 bracket close H, where L is equal to lower limit of model class, H is equal to size of class interval assuming all class sizes to be equal, F1 is equal to frequency of model class, F0 is equal to frequency of class preceding the model class. We are going to do a question on SPSS, which is calculate the mean, median and model numbers of persons per houses from the data. में जो हमें उन्होंने डाटा दिया हुआ है हम वो एंटर करेंगे अपने SPSS. पहले हम वेरिएबल व्यू में अपना डाटा एंटर करेंगे, उसके बाद हम जाएंगे डाटा व्यू में. यहाँ पर हम ग्रुप्स में जो है पर्सनस में उसका डाटा एंटर करेंगे, फिर हाउसेस में वो वाला डाटा एंटर करेंगे, फिर हम जाएंगे डिस्क्रिप्टिव स्टैटिस्टिक्स में, उसके बाद हम जाएंगे फ्रीक्वेंसीज़ में. यहाँ जाके हम लोगों ने जो है पर्सनस को दूसरी साइड पे मूव करना है, यहाँ से मूव करने के बाद हम लोग स्टैटिस्टिक्स के ऑप्शन में जाएंगे। यहाँ पर मीन, मीडियन, मोड, क्वार्टाइल और कट पॉइंट्स जो है इस पर क्लिक करना है हम लोगों ने। ठीक है, इस पर क्लिक करने के बाद हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे ओके का जो ऑप्शन है इस पर क्लिक करना है। यहाँ पे हमारे पास टेबल आ गया है। इसमें हमारे पास मीन की वैल्यू, मीडियन की वैल्यू, मोड की वैल्यू हमारे पास गिवन है और एक और नीचे टेबल है उसमें भी हमारे पास जो हमें रिक्वायर्ड वैल्यूज़ हैं वो सारी हमारे पास यहाँ पे आ गई हैं।